Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dustin and in today's video was pretty highly requested. I got a lot of DMs asking how I did my makeup in my passport picture, and in today's video I recreated that look, so if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So starting off, I'm just going to prime my face with the Aloe Soothing Sun Cream. Now going in with my new favorite foundation, I'm using the Dior Backstage foundation in 2W, and I'm going to apply that all over my face and blend it out with a damp beauty blender. Now going in with my setting powder, I'm going to use a brush to apply that all over my face. Now going in with a contour shade, I'm going to slightly contour my nose. Taking the first shade, which is like a pale cream color, I'm going to apply that all over my lids. Now taking a warm light brown color, I'm going to apply that all over my lids, blending it up in a upwards motion. Now taking a slightly darker brown, I'm going to apply that on my outer lower lash line to give my eyes more definition. Now taking the darkest brown I have, I'm going to apply that only on the outside corners of my eyes and then blending it upwards to really emphasize more upturned eyes. Then you can see I'm drawing in my eggo cell and then blending it in an upwards motion as well. Now I'm just taking a brown liquid liner and I'm going to draw in a fake mole. The lens I'm wearing are Vivi Ring Brown from Olens. Don't forget to use my code DDANG for 10% off. Since the passport picture is going to be taken straight forward, I am going to contour my jawline to give myself a smaller face. I started recently doing a new blush placement, so I'm taking my orangey blush and I'm only applying it on the high points of my cheeks, my nose, and my nose bridge. With this new blush placement, it just helps emphasizes a more lifted face. Now I'm just lining my lips with the NYX Slim Lip Pencil in Natural. Now I'm gonna go in with like a dry rose color and apply that all over my lips, feathering it out. Next, I'm taking a brownie mauve color and apply that only on the center of my lips and then feathering it out as well. Now to tie this whole look together, I'm taking my favorite Kaja Beauty Heart Melter in the shade Honey Bun and applying that all over my lips. And that is pretty much it for the look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know I did. I got a bomb passport picture out of it. I hope you guys recreate this look. If you do, don't forget to tag me on Instagram at 803THN, and until then, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.